In this video, you will see how to add a text box in Google Sheets that can be moved anywhere freely. First, you need to go to the Insert tab, then Drawing. Now select the option Text Box here. Draw the text box of the size you want. Type the text inside the text box. Notice that this text box doesn't have a border, so if you want a border, click on the text box and click on the pencil icon. Select the border color and the thickness of the text box border, and to center align the text, click on the small dots and select center align. And if you want to fill the text box with the shade, you can just go to the fill color option, select the color of your choice and then click on save and close. You can now click on the text box and move the text box anywhere freely inside the Google Sheets. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen.